Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by selecting a forgiving mushroom like oyster so you get fast results. This matters because species controls substrate and timing. Once chosen, prepare substrate. Pasteurize straw or use sterilized sawdust bags to reduce contamination. Make sure to buy reputable spawn rather than wild-collected spores to avoid pests. Then, in a clean space, mix spawn into substrate using sanitized gloves. This step seeds your medium with mycelium. After mixing, place into breathable containers and label with date and species for tracking growth. Once your bags or blocks are inoculated, move them to a stable incubation spot with 20-24 degrees C and low light. Mycelium prefers darkness to colonize quickly. Make sure to keep humidity around 60-75% so the mycelium stays active but not waterlogged. Use a hygrometer and humidifier or mist lightly once or twice daily. You will see white mycelial growth spread. If you encounter green, black, or smelly spots, separate affected items. Continue until mycelium fully colonizes the substrate. This signals readiness for fruiting. To trigger fruiting, lower temperature to 16-20 degrees C, increase fresh air exchange, and introduce indirect light. These changes signal the mushroom to form pins. Make sure humidity rises to 85-95% during pinning by using a humidifier or a tent with daily misting. Harvest when caps flatten but before spore drop. Cut at the base and refrigerate promptly. If growth stalls or contamination recurs, stop using the batch. Deep clean or bleach surfaces and review sterilization steps. Learning from one failed run speeds future success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.